Hi, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just want to say thank you for letting me take the time to go ahead and make this quick video for you. Now, I don't want to take up too much of your time, and at the end of this video, if you could give me some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. So the things I want to go over with you today are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be made up of anything here on your front page, any wording that you use, any photos that you use, what's behind your photos, and how they're saved is all a part of your content. Now, Google does like to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a home page. Within that content, you want to add keywords that you want your business to be found for. Now, a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for. Now, I did go ahead and put your website into this tool that we use where we're able to see the analytics of your website. So the first thing that we want to go over is the trust and the strength of your website. Now, this is on a scale of 100. So the idea is as you raise these, you want to try to stay as even as possible. Now, the next thing we have here is 0 keywords. So what we're going to want to do is definitely be able to look at competitors' websites and be able to see what keywords they're using and see what we could utilize for you to be able to get you ranking for those keywords as well. Now, the next thing is you have 2 backlinks from one referring domain. So what a backlink is anywhere that you find one website linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, not all of these backlinks are the same. The links are not created equal. Some of the links are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative. That's going to bring power to your website. And I'll be able to show you in comparison to a different website that I found here. The idea though is pulling all this together and being able to get you ranking on Google. Now, I pulled one little part of your website. I know you have multiple things on your website as well, but this is something that I pulled up and I was able to do some searching on. And the idea is trying to get your rankings out there so you're able to be on the organic listings for when it comes to Google. Now, I pulled up this website. I know they only have like a little bit, like I said, you have different options for what you are providing in services and products. But I wanted to just give you an idea of how we're able to research other backlinks and other keywords and things like that. So the other thing that you want to be able to do when it comes to your website is when you do your Google business profile, you have an About Us section. And in that section, you have 750 words. Now, what you want to do is you want to be able to utilize all 750 words in that About Us section. And then we also want to be able to place keywords throughout that About Us section. So that's going to add relevance to the website as well. Now, also, when it comes to your reviews and your messages, you want to make sure you are very responsive. And then also, social media, make sure you keep posting weekly with branded posts and geolocated photos. All of that together is going to help with your relevance. Now, the next thing is, like I said, citations. This is when your business name, address, and phone number are in things like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, and by going out and giving your information to as many people as possible, it's going to increase that relevance and helps with your website as well. So taking a look at the analytics of this website here, so they have 28,000 backlinks from 2,000 domains and then 6,000 keywords. So the idea is to, like I said, be able to see what backlinks that they have that would work for you, but the idea is then to also get more backlinks than what they have. But we want to make sure that we're not getting spammy backlinks. Then you also have 6,000 keywords on here. So what we're able to do is we're able to go through and look at these keywords. You're able to see what the search volume is for that keyword and then how much traffic they're getting for those keywords. Then what services that you offer, we're able to then to take those keywords and be able to utilize them in your website as well. So I just want to say thank you for letting me take the time to make this quick video for you. I really appreciate you letting me do this for you. I am going to send over a message with my phone number and my email as well. So if you ever have any questions in the future, please feel free to reach out. You can either text, call, email, whatever works best for you. But I just appreciate your time. Thank you so much. You have a good day.